Hello and welcome back to Test 2 from the Digital SAT Math book, also focusing on algebra and linear equations. Now if you're following along with the book, link in the description below, remember the goal is to build consistency, aiming for about 15 minutes of practice a day. If it takes a bit longer, that's fine, don't worry, that's why we're practicing to get faster and more confident. So starting with question 1, we have 4x minus 7 equals 2x plus 5. Now remember, for the equation to remain the same, we have to do the same to both sides. Now in this equation, we have x on both the left and the right hand side, and we only want x on one side if we're going to find the value. So we're going to start by subtracting 2x from both sides. So that gives us 4x minus 7 minus 2x is equal to 2x minus 2x plus 5. So on the right-hand side of the equation, the 2x's cancel out, and we have 2x minus 7 equals 5. Now, if we add 7 to both sides, the 7's on the left-hand side cancel out, and we get 2x is equal to 12. So now we can divide by 2 to isolate x because the 2's cancel out and we have x is equal to 6. So the answer is B. In question 2, we have brackets on both sides. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply those out. So that gives us 2x plus 10 is equal to 3x minus 6. But we also have x on both sides. So if we subtract 2x from both sides, we have 2x plus 10 minus 2x is equal to 3x minus 6 minus 2x. On the left-hand side, the two x's cancel out, so we have 10 is equal to x minus 6. Now, because the right-hand side is x minus 6, the next step is to add 6 to both sides. The two 6's on the right-hand side cancel out because minus 6 and plus 6 is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to 16, and the answer is A. In question 3, we also have brackets on the left-hand side. So the first thing we do is multiply that out. So we have 4x minus 8 is equal to 2x plus 10. Now to isolate the variable x to just one side of the equation, we're going to subtract 2x from both sides of the equation. Now the 2x's on the right-hand side are going to cancel out, so we get 2x minus 8 is equal to 10. Then we want to get 2x on its own, so we're going to add 8 to both sides, and that gives us 2x is equal to 18 because the two 8's cancel on the left-hand side. Then if we divide by 2, we get 2x divided by 2 is equal to 18 divided by 2, and the 2's on the left-hand side cancel out, so we have x is equal to 9, and the answer is D. Question 4 also has brackets, so again we start by multiplying the brackets out, giving us 4x minus 12 is equal to 3x plus 21. So if we subtract 3x from both sides of the equation first, we can isolate x onto just one side of the equation. That gives us 4x minus 12 minus 3x is equal to 3x plus 21 minus 3x. So the 3x's cancel out on the left-hand side of the equation, and we have x minus 12 is equal to 21. Then if we add 12 to both sides, we get x minus 12 plus 12 equals 21 plus 12. So minus 12 plus 12 cancels out, and we have x is equal to 33. So the answer is D. Now in question 5 we have fractions, but again I'm trying to isolate x to one side. So in this case I'm going to add 1/6 to both sides. So if I do that, I'm going to get 3/4 of x minus 1/6 plus 1/6 is equal to 5/12 plus 1/6. Now on the left-hand side, the minus 1/6 and the plus 1/6 cancel each other out. Now on the right hand side we have 5/12 plus 1/6. However, to add these together we have to make the denominator the same. So 1/6 is equal to 2/12. So now we have 5/12 plus 2/12, and that's equal to 7/12. So now our equation is 3/4 of x is equal to 7/12. Now, as we have 3/4 of x on the left-hand side and we want just x, we're going to have to end up multiplying by 4 and dividing by 3. However, I'm going to do them one at a time to try and keep it as simple as possible. So I'm going to start by multiplying by 4, which gives us 3/4 of x times 4 is equal to 7/12 times by 4. So on the left-hand side, the two 4's cancel out, and on the right-hand side, 4/12 is equal to 1/3. So 3x is equal to 7/3. Now we're going to divide both sides by 3. We have 3x divided by 3 is equal to 7 divided by 3 times 3. So the two 3's on the right hand side cancel out, and we have x is equal to 7/9. And so the answer is A. Now question 6 has brackets in it. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply out those brackets. So we have 4x minus 12 plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 6, which is 4x minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 6. So the first thing I want to do here is subtract 2x from both sides, and then I only have x on one side of the equation. So that gives me 4x minus 6 minus 2x is equal to 2x plus 6 minus 2x. So the 2x and the minus 2x cancel each other out on the right-hand side, and we end up with 2x minus 6 is equal to 6. Next, we want to add 6 to both sides. So we have 2x minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 6 plus 6. And the minus 6 and the 6 on the left-hand side are going to cancel each other out, and we end up with 2x is equal to 12. And then we want to divide by 2, which gives us 2x over 2 is equal to 12 over 2, so x is equal to 6. And the answer is D. Now in question 7 we have to find the value of y, and we're given x is equal to 3. So if 5x minus 2y is equal to 8 and x is equal to 3, we substitute 3 in where the x is, and we have 5 multiplied by 3 minus 2y is equal to 8, which is equal to 15 minus 2y is equal to 8. Now if we subtract 15 from both sides, we can isolate y onto one side. So 15 minus 2y minus 15 is equal to 8 minus 15. So the two 15's cancel out on the left-hand side, and we have minus 2y is equal to minus 7. Now to get y on its own, we're going to divide by minus 2. So we have minus 2y divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 7 divided by minus 2. So the minus 2's cancel each other out on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side the minus signs cancel each other out. So we have y is equal to 7 over 2. And finally, in question 8, we have to find the value of 2x minus 4. Well, to achieve this, first we have to find the value of x. So if we have 4x minus 8 is equal to 20, and we add 8 to both sides, we get 4x is equal to 28. Now, to get x on its own, we're going to divide by 4. So 4x divided by 4 is equal to 28 divided by 4. The 4's cancel out on the left-hand side, so x is equal to 7, because 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. But we actually want the value for 2x minus 4. So now we have the value of x, we can substitute that in to 2x minus 4. So we have 2 times 7, minus 4. 2 times 7 is 14. And if you subtract 4 from that, you get 10. So our final answer is 10. So I hope this video is helping you revise for your SAT Math. I will have more videos coming out as soon as I can. In the meantime, I have a very small favour to ask. If you could please hit the like button if you got any value out of this video whatsoever, it would really help me out because it helps my video reach more people. And if you hit the subscribe button, it means that you'll be notified when I have new videos out. So bye for now and hope to see you soon.